Hey, let me show you how to enable and use Flex Mode on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. I bet you'll like this function because it will transform your phone to a personal laptop. Let me show you. Let's just open Settings and scroll for the Advanced Features tab. And after this we can see this Flex Mode panel and we just need to enable it. So now what we have to do? We need to select Auto Show panel when folded. Just choose your apps, or you can choose all of the supported apps like I did. And now let's open YouTube, for example. Let's just type it in the search bar. And now when your phone will be folded upright, you'll see the navigation panel. So if you want to close it, just use these two arrows and it will be closed. You can also tap on this phone icon again, so it will be opened. And now we have 5 buttons here. So let's discuss each of them. This icon, which now lights up blue, is a touchpad. So here is the square for the touchpad, and you can use your finger to search for anything with the help of this arrow on the screen, or you can use your finger as you would normally do and select anything on the screen. And just use your 2 fingers to scroll through the page, or use these lines on the right side just by swiping up or down to see everything on this page. Now, the first one icon is for the split screen. If you tap on it, you would need to select an app for the split screen. Let's choose Notes, for example, and now you'll be able to use YouTube and Notes at the same time. Now, the second option, which is for the notification panel. If you tap it, you'll see all of your recent notifications. And the third button is for the screenshot. Tap it to take a screenshot of this YouTube page, and you'll see it right here on the left side, and you'll be able to edit it or share with it or delete it immediately. And also we have 3 dots here, so we can change the display brightness. We can also change the volume if you're watching YouTube, for example, and see the settings. So this is really impressive. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.